Hey, what's up guys? Hope you're doing well. Today's question is x to the x equal to 1 over 4. What is the value of x? To solve this question, we are going to write x to the x is equal to 1 over. Instead of 4, I'm going to write 2 to the 2. So, as we know, negative 2 to the power of 2 is equal to 4. And also, positive 2 to the power of 2 is also equal to 4. So, here, I'm gonna change the form of 2 to the 2. I'm gonna write instead 1 over minus 2 to the power of 2. As we know that minus 2 to the power of 2 is also equals to 4. Just I changed the form. Instead of 2 to the 2, I wrote minus 2 to the power of 2. So let's go ahead. X to the x is equal to, I'm gonna bring or move 2 to the numerator. So minus 2 to the power of minus 2. So when you move to the numerator, so it become negative. Here obviously you can see that x to the x is equal to minus 2 to the power of minus 2. So the value of x will be minus 2. So this is the final answer.